maneno ya heshima.
To say thank you, we say asante. To say thank you, we say asante. When someone helps you, say asante. It shows respect, we say asante. Asante, thank you. Tafadhali, please. Hujambo, hello. Samahani, excuse me, I'm sorry. Ni viradi, forgive me. Ni maneno ya heshima. These are polite words. To say please, we say tafadhali. To say please, we say tafadhali. When you asked for something, say tafadhali. It is polite, we say tafadhali. Asante, thank you. Tafadhali, please. Hujambo, hello. Samahani, I'm sorry. Ni viradi, forgive me. Ni maneno ya heshima. These are polite words. To say welcome, we say karibu. To say welcome, we say karibu. When someone visits, say welcome. It shows kindness, we say karibu. Asante, thank you. Tafadhali, please. Hujambo, hello. Samahani, I'm sorry. Ni viradi, forgive me. Ni maneno ya heshima. These are polite words. To say excuse me, we say samahani. To say excuse me, we say samahani. When you make a mistake, say samahani. It brings peace, we say samahani. Asante, thank you. Tafadhali, please. Hujambo, hello. Samahani, excuse me, I'm sorry. Viradi, forgive me. Ni maneno ya heshima. To say forgive me, we say ni viradi. Forgive me. To say forgive me, we say ni viradi. Forgive when you are wrong, say ni viradi. Forgive me. It shows respect, we say ni viradi. Forgive me. Asante, thank you. Tafadhali, please. Hujambo, hello. Samahani, excuse me, I'm sorry. Ni viradi, forgive me. Ni maneno ya heshima. Asante, asante, thank you. Tafadhali, please. Hujambo, hello. Samahani, excuse me, I'm sorry. Ni viradi, forgive me. Ni maneno ya heshima.